At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a ROI, return on investment agency, can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand the demand for ROI services in your target market. Identify your potential clients, their needs, pain points, and the competitive landscape. 2. Define your services. Determine the specific ROI services you will offer. This could include ROI analysis, marketing analytics, financial consulting, performance tracking, and optimization strategies. 3. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your agency's success and help you secure funding if needed. 4. Legal considerations. Choose a legal structure for your agency, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your jurisdiction. 5. Build your team. Assemble a team of professionals with expertise in areas such as data analysis, marketing, finance, and consulting. Your team should be capable of delivering high-quality ROI services to your clients. 6. Develop your brand. Create a strong brand identity that reflects the values and expertise of your agency. This includes designing a professional logo, website, and marketing materials that convey your unique selling proposition. 7. Marketing and networking. Develop a marketing strategy to attract clients to your agency. This may include creating content, attending industry events, networking with potential clients, and leveraging social media and digital marketing channels. 8. Client acquisition. Start reaching out to potential clients and pitching your services. Highlight the value proposition of your ROI agency and how you can help clients achieve their business goals by maximizing their return on investment. 9. Deliver high-quality services. Once you start acquiring clients, focus on delivering exceptional results and building long-term relationships. Tailor your services to meet each client's specific needs and provide ongoing support and communication. 10. Measure and optimize. Continuously monitor and analyze the performance of your clients' investments to ensure they are achieving their desired ROI. Use data-driven insights to optimize strategies and maximize results. 11. Scale your business. As your agency grows, consider scaling your operations by expanding your team, offering additional services, or entering new markets. Continuously innovate and adapt to stay ahead in the competitive landscape. 12. Stay compliant. Stay updated with regulations and compliance standards related to data privacy, financial reporting, and other relevant areas. Compliance is crucial for maintaining trust and credibility with your clients. Starting an ROI agency requires dedication, expertise, and a strong focus on delivering value to your clients. By following these steps and staying committed to excellence, you can build a successful and thriving business in this dynamic industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.